I am done gatekeeping. Use this one affirmation to become fucking rich in 2023. Promise you. Say these affirmations for 21 days and watch how much money comes your way. I get paid to exist. I get paid to exist. Wealth is my birthright. Abundance is my birthright. Abundance is my destiny. Don't be surprised when money starts coming out of absolutely nowhere into your bank account. That's what's happening to a lot of my clients who are doing the workshop, which you could grab at the top of my page when they start saying affirmations like this.